Hi, I'm Guido with Trailside Talks, and today we try to install a hood lift support, essentially 2 gas struts and a couple brackets. Let's see how it goes. 2 gas shocks, 2 brackets for the fender, 2 brackets for the hood, 10mm socket. Let's open the hood. Alright, step 1, remove the 10mm bolt from the fender. Okay. Hey, place the bracket. And put the bolt back in. Tighten it back up. Yep, seems sturdy. All right, let me do the same on the other side. All right, next step is fiddling this little piece and this opening. Yep. Looks easier than it is on the instructions. Alrighty. Okay. Oop, let me get my ratchet. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's rinse and repeat on the other side. So, yep. Let's see, cut those away. According to the instructions, keep that end away from you in case it comes shooting out. Well, it comes out, but I wouldn't call that shooting. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it's on. And oh, I gotta lift. Oh, sure, can do. Let's see if I can compress them. Oh, hell no. All right. Let's unlatch this guy. Okay. far so good. Let's do the same for the other side. Okay, pick up the mess. All right, let's keep our fingers crossed. Love it. Oh, by the way, I will put a link in the description to where I got those. No, it's not an affiliate link. I'm not deemed worthy for Amazon links. Apparently my channel is too small, whatever. It was about $78. But yeah, it's good. Alrighty. See you next time. Bye.